Alright, assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to the BONK update. So the market is quite low at the moment and I just don't know how to adjust this stupid microphone of mine. So yesterday we had a drop, all of a sudden a 5 minutes drop that took away all of the crypto. So 26% moved down from there to there. This was nearly 26% and moved down. And then very quickly we had a push back up of an 18%. So basically this shows that the market has been quite fierce, and right now we're trading at 120,000. What happened is that you did have a channel that you broke above, you came down and you made a fake out. I was in this trade, but I actually bought a little bit of BONK and eventually came down and then quite had to call it off right over here. So basically we're looking for something that tells me, on the daily we may not still come to an end with this drop, right? So I've seen something that I need to tell you right now, and that is, if I remove the drawings right now, BONK has a sideways pattern here, which is almost like a bear flag, indicating that the drops are still not done yet. So we have a push down like this and a sideways movement creating a bear flag. And if you try to take the technical target for this, we are probably looking for 59,000, 60,000 is the place where we're looking for BONK. And January might be scary as hell. So anyone who missed this, I feel bad for them, because this was a move for the people who were buying way low back in the days, and they were hodlers, they were holding the coin, they had their reward taken out. And I always say this, that be careful of something that pumps really to the upside. Hey, fun fact by the way, 99 or 97% of people lose money in meme coins, all right? And the reason is because they do not know how to trade. They do not know when to buy, when to sell. They just get into the hype and then they lose money. So to me, I'm going to bring in the logarithmic scale. Now this may not be very good for so many people out there, but what I want to just say is what is on the chart, otherwise nothing else than that, right? So you have a flag, and this flag right here shows that you have a technical target, probably starts from there to there, and you have a bear flag right now, and it shows a move to the downside to 81,000. Okay, now at least for that moment we may see just a very small push back up to 134,000 and then finally drop down to 79,505. So be very careful. October, November, December have been very good, but right now even December may be a problem. And the biggest hint that is coming for this issue is from Bitcoin, right? If I show you Bitcoin, yes, it's trading at 43,000 and stuff, right? There are chances where we can still get up to 47,000 and 48,000, but the biggest problem that I have with it is that if I show you the RSI, my goodness, look at how big of a divergence you have, right? So the RSI is going down, and Bitcoin prices are moving really high. Okay, this is an issue. Even if you do get here to 47,000, eventually at some point you are looking for a very big drop eventually, until you don't really go down to the oversold level, maybe in February or January, in the middle of January. So yeah, right now the market sentiment says everyone is feeling pretty safe as well, that anything they can buy is going to go to the moon. And also be very careful, because BONK may be making a head and shoulder. So if I do show you something right here, and if I do remove some of the drawings out there, it looks like you have the left shoulder. This is a pretty big head here, and you might have the right shoulder as well, and you could be looking to drop from there to there, and you're looking at this neckline being broken as well. So actually this looks way more better, all right? This is an issue, and we could be looking at small pump back up to 143,000 before dropping, right? So all you might be looking at is a move from there to there, and this actually may drop to a whopping technical price of 41,000, which is probably, if you start to drop from 140, we are looking for a very big drop of 71%. Well, it is what it is, and I kind of have to go with this pattern because it's a valid one. It's a left shoulder here, it's a head, it's a right shoulder. The more I look at it, the more I'm actually convinced that it is a pattern that you have to be very, very careful of. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love this.